Hey guys, Sam from 3D here. Let me show you what is inside Mockups library. Let's take a look inside the folder. So we have Mockups templates, Mockups, source files, license, tutorial. License is pretty standard what we have for all our libraries. It's about that you can use Mockups for yourself, for personal and also for commercial use. You can't just resell our source files or any other our libraries. So go ahead, use it, and if you have any questions, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. Then there are like linked to tutorials. Then we have source files. We will go to that after that. Let's take a look on the mockup. So we have 10 mockups right now. It's like city mockup, clay mockup, luxury scene, sky mockup version 1, sky mockup version 2. Then we have sci-fi, soft sci-fi, this is just, I call this in this way, stand mockup, infinite mockup, and bubble mockup. The great thing is if you don't like, for example, the color which are used on this mockup, you can use Blender and you can change it. You can just place your design on top of this, and that's it. So these are the mockups what we have, and then we have the template, which is basically you just need to change this screen and put it into Blender, and it will work for you. Okay, so let's take a look, for example, in the source files and, for example, on the luxury scene. Okay, so we are in Blender, and this is how it looks inside. One thing what I wanted to mention, if you are new to Blender, don't worry. We created the tutorials, which are easy to follow, so you can get even if you are starting with the Blender. You don't need to learn the whole Blender, you just need to learn like few basics. How to change the colors, how to change materials, maybe like change the camera view, and that's it. So this is what we are covering inside the tutorial. So if you are in Blender, this is how it looks like. Like every scene has different lights, different materials, and different composition. And this is how the, for example, luxury scenes looks. And I was playing with the animation, so this is what you can do. This is what you can achieve easily. So you just need to place and put your design instead of this one. So this is how it looks like. So let's take a look on other mockup, which is, for example, the stand mockup. So this is how it looks like. Again, you have the scene and you can play with it, you can change the composition, and you can do animation and so on and so on. So it's basically easy to use, easy to customize, easy to change the colors, etc., etc. So it's pretty powerful. It's only up to you how you want to use it, how you want to squeeze the library. Okay, so that's it. This is what is inside. If you have any questions, reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about our library, go to mockups.design. If you want to see and if you want to combine more libraries inside, for example, this mockups library, go to 3d.design. We have characters, animals, we have hands, we have other libraries, icons. So you can be pretty creative what you can build with our 3D libraries together. And it's quite simple to do, believe me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and stay creative.